we do land registration at land commission, we do land survey and land demarcation. We can also help you to get a land in a good location, and we also have architectural drawing and building plans. We have barcoded site plan. We have the one that goes to land commission, and we also have the one that does not go to land commission. That's signed by the surveyor. Our office is located at Kaswa Ofanko, Papasi Road, opposite Aniko Police Station. Call us today on 055-490-4369. Thank you.